This is Karen from JCK Marketing, and today I want to show you how to add or amend a page on your WordPress website. So as you can see in front of you, I've got the JCK Marketing website and I've already logged in to the dashboard area. So on the dashboard, if you go to the left hand side, you can see here the area called pages, and if you hover over it, you'll see what you want to do. Do you want to see all pages that are already there, or do you want to add a new page? So I'm just going to go to all pages for the time being, and I'm going to go quickly to the branding page because I think we need to make some edits there. So as you hover over the branding page, it asks you again what you want to do. Do you want to edit it or do you want to view it? I'm going to click on the edit button. And as you can see, when you land, this actually looks a little bit confusing because it's got lots of HTML tags. These are the tags that the website needs so that it puts in formatting, whether it's a title or just normal paragraphs. To put it into the visual editor, which is what you'll be more familiar with, on the right hand side, and I'll do it again, you can see where my hand is hovering. If I click on HTML, that's the HTML code, and if you click back to visual, that is pretty much what you see is what you get. Doesn't always work like that. Let me just keep the current color scheme for you. So this is our branding page, and as you can see, it's how to look good naked. It's got this picture here, and if I go to the branding page on our website, you'll see there's the how to look good naked, there's the picture, and here's all the text. Okay. So if you wanted to simply edit this page, you wanted to rewrite it or remove the picture, then it's quite a straightforward thing to do. You simply put in your cursor where you want to add more text, and then you can write more text in here. And as soon as you hit the update button, which you can see here on the right hand side, your update button might be a little bit higher up depending on the theme that you're using, but it's always on the right hand side and it's always this blue color, so you need to find the publish box for your update button. And I'm going to just click update, and then if I go and refresh the screen here, you see that's immediately edited the page. I'm now going to go and remove that text, and if I wanted to edit this photo, I can just click on it and it shows this little picture here which says what you want to do. Do you want to edit the image? So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to say, actually, I don't want to left align it, I want to right align it, and I want to change the title because that title doesn't really make any sense. So we'll call it Branding Your Company, and then again I hit the update button and you can see immediately it's changed to the right hand side, and if I hover over it, there's the Branding Your Company. And I'm going to click update, and refresh the screen, and you can see there that the image is now right aligned instead of left aligned. I'm actually now just going to go and put that back, but you can see how easy and flexible it is to very quickly write text in and update your page. Now if you want to add a new page to your website, that's very simple as well. You go back to the left hand column over here and you simply click on add new, and let's just say I wanted to write a little bit of text about website hosting. So here is where you write text about website hosting. And I might want to put another title in there. Yes, so how to choose the best website host. And because that's right at the top of your page, you would mark that as an H1 tag, a heading 1, and you would continue on here. Okay. Similarly, if you wanted to bold or italic anything, you simply just highlight the word that you want to do. And WordPress is quite helpful. As you hover over all of these buttons, it does actually tell you what it will do. So if I hit the italic button and the bold button, you'll see it immediately puts the word continue into bold and italics. Similarly, if you wanted to put bullets, if you highlight the areas that you want bulleted, you can either have an unordered list or an ordered list, depending on whether you like to use 1, 2 or 3, etc, etc. So I'm just going to hit over here, and because it's a new page, instead of updating it, you actually have to publish it. If you didn't want to publish it at this stage because you hadn't finished it and you didn't want to put it onto your website, you could just click on the saved draft. So that would allow you to save your work, but it still wouldn't be a published page, and therefore people wouldn't be able to see it on the internet. I'm actually very quickly going to publish this page. I know it's not got any decent amount of information or content on it. Now, to have a look at what you've written, if you click view page, you can see that's exactly what I have written on that particular page. Now then, this is the area that people forget to do, because now that you've written that page, you need to now go and assign it to the menu system or the menu structure that you've got, and it will depend on how your website has been built as to how you do this. Sometimes it's just automatic, and automatically your page will appear in your menu, but the way that this website is that we've actually got a custom menu. So now to go and put that page into the menu, you need to go to the appearance area and to the menu bar. And the area that I want to attach this page to is our secondary navigation, which is this home, strategy, brand, websites, which if I go back to the website, you can see home, strategy, brand, websites. And what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to tick the page that I've just written, and I'm going to add it to the menu. And now it's a simple matter of just dragging and dropping it to where you want. So I'm going to put it under the website section, which makes sense. And if I click on Save Menu and I refresh the website, now if I hover over the website area, you can see that the website hosting page is there in its full glory. Obviously that's not a great page to put on a website, so I'm simply going to remove it at this stage. So if I click it open and I can hit remove, save the menu again, and that will now disappear from the website. So that's very simply how you can add new pages to your website, or how you can edit pages that are already in existence.